Number 10. MANISH water. Perfect for large gatherings such as night, weddings, and parties, MANISH water is made using goat meat, spices, and all the other traditional soup ingredients. Spicy and filled with flavor, 1 cup of this appetizer will lead to another. Number 9. Fish tea. Although it is called fish tea, this dish is a light soup made using fish. Perfect for rainy days, fish tea is flexible so you can add your favorite vegetables to create your signature flavor. In addition to providing a mix of vitamins and minerals, fish tea is a powerful brain food. Number 8. Oxtail and Beans. Jamaican oxtails are loved by almost everyone. Traditionally served with butter beans and rice, oxtail is one of Jamaica's delicacies. Consuming oxtails will give you a good dose of calcium, vitamins B, and iron. Number 7. Brown stew chicken. Brown stew chicken is a flavorful traditional Jamaican dish commonly served with your favorite staple. Packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, Jamaican brown stew chicken is definitely a must-try. Number 6. Stewed peas. Stewed peas with spinners is a hearty Jamaican dish. Its main ingredient, red kidney beans, is known popularly in Jamaica as red peas. Traditionally, the meal is prepared using salt beef, oxtail, or pig's tail, but there is also the vegan version without any meat. Number 5. Roast fish. If you're trying to include more protein in your diet, then this Jamaican dish is for you. With a preparation time of about 20 minutes and roughly another 20 to cook, roast fish is a quick, easy, and delicious must-try Jamaican food. Number 4. Curried goat. Did you know that goat meat is healthier than lamb and has more protein than chicken? Jamaicans love curried goat, and it's a favorite at family gatherings or at Christmas time. Insanely delicious, full of flavor, and tender to the bone, curried goat is an absolutely must-try Jamaican food. Number 3. Ackee and Sawfish. Ackee and Sawfish is Jamaica's national dish. It can be eaten any time of the day, though breakfast time is when it is most commonly served. Many people who live outside of Jamaica tend to be afraid of the fruit. However, the one thing to know is the right time to pick ackee. If ackee is not open when picked, it is very poisonous. Apart from that, ackee and sawfish is a delicious, must-try Jamaican food.
on, J Squad, it's your boy Jay, and if you're enjoying the content so far, remember to drop a like, remember to drop a comment in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe and share. Jay says, J Squad.
Jerk pork. Jamaican jerk pork is well known for its outstanding flavor and Jamaica's famous jerk sauce, packed with herbs and spices. Authentic jerk pork is a must-try for everyone visiting the island. It is usually served alongside rice and peas, festival, roast yam, bread, or simply just by itself.